box. Number 2 is Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer is an optimistic and unstoppable companion for all your robotic endeavors. Its expansive build size of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, 45 by 40 by 40 centimeters provides a vast playground for your creative ambitions, allowing you to bring your wildest robotic dreams to life. What sets this printer apart is its self-developed Anycubic LeviQ Leveling Function, a genius innovation that takes the hassle out of calibration. With just a touch of a button, it performs an intelligent and precise 25-point calibration, effortlessly compensating for any unevenness in the heated bed. The Kobra Max's construction is rock solid, featuring a double-thread Z-axis moving system that ensures stability and eliminates unwanted shaking. This exceptional design guarantees that your robotic part's intricate details are faithfully reproduced with the highest precision, leaving no room for compromise. Moreover, the printer has a filament runout sensor, a true savior in disguise. It intelligently monitors the filament supply, and should it run out, the printer automatically pauses, saving you from any frustrating setbacks while maintaining your progress. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.